everyone. Today I'm going to create a set of press-on nails. I will be using a reflective Moonlight cat magnetic gel from BornPretty in the color 01. I am going to start by applying a thin layer of this polish on a nail. Then I am using a magnetic stick to move the glitter away from the borders of the nail. After that I made a curved line near the tip of the nail like so. After curing the nail I am applying a second coat of polish and doing the same thing with the magnetic stick. After curing the second coat of polish I am going to use this rhinestone glue gel from BornPretty and stick 3 pearls on the nail. A big one in the center and 2 smaller pearls on either side. After curing the rhinestone glue I am applying a no wipe top coat from the nail and cure it. For the next nail I am applying a coat of light beige polish for the base. Next I will take a golden reflective glitter gel from BornPretty and apply 2 coats of polish on the nail. Use my code PPolish on the BornPretty website to get 10% off on your order. Then I will apply a top coat. I will use the same light beige gel polish for the base coat of the next nail. After curing the nail I am applying a base coat near the tip of the nail. Next I am using a red sequin gel and placing chunks of sequins on the nail where I applied the base gel. Then I am applying a top coat on the nail. Next, I am buffing the top of the nail to make sure the surface of the nail is even, because the sequins made the surface bumpy. After that I am dusting off the nail using a brush and wiping it with acetone to clean the nail. Once that is done I am applying a layer of top coat again. For this nail, I am applying the same cat magnetic gel near the tip of the nail. Then I am using a brush to create a gradient effect with the polish. Now I am create lines using the rhinestone gel from the tip to the center of the nail, curing the gel after each line. Once that is done, I am sticking pearls and rose gold beads. Top it off with a top coat and cure the nail. For the last nail, I am following the same steps as the first one. This is the finished set. Hope you like it.